Good morning. We are all very excited at the groundbreaking ceremony for this very important project ng Terra Solar. This is the largest solar power facility with battery. Meron 3,500 sa ibang lugar na 3,500 hectares. Ngunit yung kanila walang baterya. Ito lang ang una sa buong mundo na nagkaroon ng hindi lamang solar na 3,500 hectares, kung hindi may battery pa rin para tuloy-tuloy ang pagbigay ng kuryente sa grid. At ito talaga ay napakahalaga dahil nakikita natin sa pag-advance ng teknolohiya, ang pangangailangan sa power ay pataas ng pataas, padami ng parami. Kaya ito bagay na bagay sa atin ang solar dahil alam naman ninyo kahit umuulan may araw pa rin at nakakapagbigay pa ng power ang solar. Kaya as I said, we are very excited and we congratulate all of those who put the project together, and we will be watching it and doing all that we can to help it along to make sure that it is a success. Okay? Sige. Yeah. Naku, matagal na trabaho yan. That took a long time. Since I came into office, what we were working on was tanggalin na siya sa death row. Unang-una, to commute her sentence to life. Nung nangyari yun, when we were able to achieve that, we continued to work with them. It was still with the Widodo government at the time, na kung paano, how we will do it para pauwiin. Mabuti na lang that our relations with Indonesia, our relations with then President Widodo and all of these people, together with our relations now with the new President Prabowo, dahil maganda na ng ating relasyon, nakahanap sila, gumawa sila ng paraan. This is the first time they did this. Gumawa sila ng paraan para, sabi nila, wala naman silang interest na ikulong, wala naman silang interest na execute ang si Mary Jane Veloso. Ngunit, kaya naman, sabi nila, hanap na lang tayo ng paraan. And they did it for us. Kaya malaki dapat ang pasasalamat natin sa Indonesia, malaki dapat ang pasasalamat natin sa yung last president at yung present president, President Widodo, President Prabowo ngayon. Dahil kung hindi sa kanilang pagsang-ayon ay hindi natin nagawa ito. But as I said, we have been working on this for all the previous president, hindi lang ako. 10 years na ito. 10 years na ito. Pero ang nagawa natin, napakommute natin ang sentensya niya from death sentence to life imprisonment. Tapos ang nasunod doon ay napauwi na natin. But we will have to decide what will happen next. We will see. Hindi pa maliwanag kung ano ba talaga ang how this is the first time this has happened. So that everything is on the table. All right. Thank you. Salamat.